see there? Such a transparent example of trying to dodge, looking embarrassed, not knowing what to do. Is this the way a police is supposed to act against someone who is accused of waging war against the state? Joining us on the News Hour tonight, Subramaniam Swamy of the Janata Party, Dr. Tasleem Ahmad Rahmani, who's president of the Muslim Political Council of India, Nirmala Sitharaman, national spokesperson of the BJP, Abid Rasool Khan, spokesperson and general secretary of the Andhra State Congress. My first question is to you, Mr. Khan. What's going on? The Andhra Pradesh government is run by the Congress party. Why is the Congress party looking so scared? Somebody is accused of trying to wage war against the Indian state, divide the people of this country, put religion versus religion. No, why can't you act and show some courage there to take this man on? Who is he?
Basically, there's no question of being...
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Arnab, there is no question of being scared or dodging it. The government has acted as per the law, and immediately on 24th, when he had delivered the speech, next day onward, the speech has been taken into cognizance and a watertight case has been booked against him. Akbaruddin Owaisi, who was away for treatment, came back today morning. Then he shot off a letter to the IO saying that he wants time for him to appear in Adilabad, which is about 8 hours drive from Hyderabad.
And you gave him time.
No, that is as per the IO. I am nobody to give him.
Who does the IO report to? No, who does the IO report to?
IO reports to the police. Our government does not interfere in the police matters.
Multiple cases. No, why does your police appear to be unsure? You know, your DGP told us this morning.
No, they are not sure. They are doing a good job.
The Director General of Police told us, the Director General of Police says small case, minor case. Why should the DGP look at it? Go ask the investigating officer. You ask a policeman today in Andhra Pradesh. Sir, please 1 minute. You ask a policeman in Andhra Pradesh, he looks positively confused. Why is there confusion? A man is charged under 121A conspiring to commit certain offences against the Indian state. No, is that why you are elected?
Let me answer you. Give me a minute's time. I am not confused. I am giving a very straight reply that the law is taking its course.
Sir, this law is taking its course answer is frankly boring.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean anything.
No, let me tell you. Let me give you the details. Just give me a minute's time. Let me give you the details. Basically, he has asked for time. We have not granted time. The IO is taking a call on that. He will take a call, and if needed, he will come to Hyderabad and arrest.
I know that
in the meantime, he has moved to High Court.
So I know there are 3 cases against him. Your government has hesitated. It has delayed. He was directed to appear before investigation officers in Adilabad on 7th. First you delayed, you allowed him to continue his London holiday. He was directed to appear before the Nizamabad Town Police on January 8th. Another notice has been served on him by the Osmania University Police now, directing him to appear on January 10th. 2 FIRs are against him in Adilabad and Nizamabad courts. Third is filed against the MLA by the Osmania University Police. The fact is this, sir. Please accept it till the media picked up the case. Till the media picked up the case, even your chief minister, I think his name is Kiran Reddy. He was trying to laugh off this case.
Kumar Reddy.
Yes, he was trying to laugh off the case. I want to get Nirmala Sitharaman.
Basically, let me answer. Give me a minute's time. Let me clarify.
Hear the other side.
Go to somebody.
Hear the other side today. I'll come back to you. Nirmala Sitharaman, do you think the state government is scared? Do you think they are buying time in this particular case against Akbaruddin Owaisi?
Undoubtedly, yes. I'll just give you 3 more examples to say it is not just this time, but it has also happened earlier. 2009, it is the same party which threatened the former DGP then, saying, you remove your uniform and come out, I'll show who you are and who I am. And no action was taken on that. Second, I'll give you an example of the public distribution system being checked up through the ration shops, whether they are being, effectively serving the people or not. The minister, I think it was Kashuk Krishna Reddy, who went in for a, checking up of the ration shops. There was such a scandal that he was asked to get out immediately from the area because he came without the permission of this party. He's a minister. He goes to check up if the, PDS is working effectively or not. The minister was driven out and he had to go and sit in Darussalam office of Mr. Owaisi to seek apology from him. To say apologies to him and seek his pardon. This is how they have been threatening. And the third final example I'll give you is during the Ganesh Chaturthi procession, when there was curfew imposed in the town, you had this one MP and a handful of MLA's party going and sitting on a dharna opposite a police station and entering into the police station and removing all their supporters and going away scot-free. And till today, the Congress government, which has been in alliance still recently with this party, did not have action taken on any one of these three instances that I've suggested to you. And today we are seeing this instance where, in spite of very clear evidences available through the YouTube and other things, action is not being taken. But upar se we are going, the police officers are going and sitting and saying, what is your problem? Would you like to be arrested? My question is there a law and order situation under control in Andhra Pradesh?
No, exactly. And
they were in alliance very well. But now they are not in alliance. He's gone off to Jagan Reddy's party. Is the law the same for everybody, or is it one for some set of people and something else for some others?
No, 1 minute. Nirmala Sitharaman, the MIM has withdrawn support to the Congress both at the centre and Andhra Pradesh. But if my information is right, both parties continue to share power in the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Am I right? Am I right, Abid Rasool Khan?
Yes.
Yeah, basically.
Am I right? No. So why are you going soft on your ally? They are your allies in the local municipal corporation.
Even if needed, we will also part the ways at the municipal level. There is
if needed when
no going soft.
If needed when after he's made one more speech.
That is for the High Command. I cannot. Mr. Arnab, I cannot answer your direct question on that.
No, why can't you answer my direct question?
I am having that authority.
No, 1 minute, Abid Rasool Khan.
No, listen to me. I do not have that authority to answer that question.
You're a general secretary of your party. What is your hunch? Let's get Subramaniam Swamy.
I am telling you on behalf of the party that we are taking a decision on that very shortly.
Really?
When is shortly? We will come back.
When is shortly? What is the definition of shortly?
Not much more.
Law will take its own course.
Couple of days.
No. Look at these comments. 1 minute, Abid Rasool Khan. Law which will take its own course. 1. Ridiculous comment number 2. We are going to take a decision very shortly. The ridiculous comment number 3, which gets the prize for the most ridiculous comment, is that of the Director General of Police, who said to Times Now, we will have to be charitable to Owaisi. What does he mean by charitable?
Basically, you have taken a predetermined view that we are again not doing anything. If that is the case, then I cannot answer. You have to give me a chance to talk.
Anything for 10 days.
Well, you haven't done anything for 10 days.
There's no question of not done. We have built up a case. We have collected the evidence. What do you think overnight the things can happen like that?
Subramaniam Swamy.
What evidence do you want? The whole world has seen the YouTube.
Let's get I don't know what evidence is required. Evidence is
you need evidence. It's a police matter. It's not a matter where YouTube can be brought in as an evidence.
Really? So now you're actually going to defend him on television?
That's right.
Subramaniam Swamy, you've heard both sides so far.
There are people in Maharashtra who are arrested within 2 days.
Yeah, we want to act.
Because they posted something in an FB. Facebook,
absolutely.
Right? There are people who have been arrested just because of a posting in a Facebook.
No, you see the Andhra Pradesh DGP...
Police need to do a proper job. You cannot dictate that this has to be done in this way and get it done.
So what are you doing now, an improper job? No, what are you doing now, an improper job?
We are doing a proper job, Mr. Arnab. We are doing a proper job. Today a medical team has examined Akbar and has found out that he's not well. By tomorrow, medical team from the hospital has examined him.
These are non-bailable cases.
This is Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, please. Nirmala Sitharaman, let's get Dr. Subramaniam Swamy into the debate. No, 1 minute, please. Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, ridiculous comment number 3 before I come to you for your assessment. The DGP said the speech was in Urdu. Hence, we had to translate it. That's another of the reasons for not acting so far. Subramaniam Swamy, why are we having to go through this charade?
Well, you see, it's a part of the present UPA government's capitulationist mentality. It's not only on this issue, and not only of Mr. Owaisi. You have some Zakir fellow going around the country giving even worse speeches. You see what are the speeches being given in the various madrasas and mosques on Friday. So the government is capitulationist and they are capitulated even on this issue. They didn't initiate any action. It was the BJP lawyer cell which went and filed a private complaint, and actions began on that basis. And there's a court direction by which this action has started.
No. Let
him complete.
Mr. Khan, let him complete.
And then you see, I feel that this OIC, this junior OIC, seems to have a mental problem, because the whole criticism of Gujarat is that Narendra Modi asked the police to get out of the way, and that's why the massacre took place. You think that now if the police get out of the way in Hyderabad, there's going to be any other different results? Do they not realize that the Hindus of this country are more than 80%? And they are people who are passive, peaceful, and they have had a long tradition of respecting all religions. Unlike other religions like Islam and Christianity, Hinduism formally recognizes
No, but
every
let's not
religion
get into
believing
that.
to God.
No, Dr. Swami.
There is a
Dr.
point
Swami.
I would
up
like
to
to
which
come
they
on
can't
that.
be
Dr. Swami, with respect to
Yes.
you, one minute, Mr. Khan. Dr. Swami, with respect to you, I beg to differ. This is not Hindu or Muslim. This is an individual against the nation.
What else is there?
This is individual against the nation. This is an individual's hate speech. I don't believe
how
he
many
represents
Muslim
Islam.
leaders
No,
have
he
come
does
out
not
to condemn
represent
this?
Islam. He represents a certain fringe element which must be put in its place. It's not Hindu versus Muslim.
You are
That is the
judge of
agenda of
Islam.
people like
It's
Akbaruddin
the-
Owaisi.
It is the Muslim mullahs who can.
No. On that I disagree.
No. Mullahs only can decide. You go
Arnab.
to Deoband and ask them what is.
Well, I would ask.
You are going overboard. No Muslim subscribe to this
Arnab,
views of what he
Yeah,
has
we are
said.
missing
Muslim-
here.
because you are going under the water.
Arnab, what we are missing out here, that it is a non-bailable offence. He is waging a war against the country and trying to spread hatred among communities. On both the counts, they are non-bailable. You don't need to wait for a FIR to be filed by some
so why are we waiting?
legal cell of the BJP or any other party. Suo moto action is possible by the government. If the Congress
It has been taken.
representative is
It has
saying
been
that
taken
they're
like
trying
that.
to do everything as per law, very well. If they are doing as per law, what did stop them when he violated curfew laws? What stopped them when he was threatening the police officer during election? The election commissioner at that time could have filed a case. The government could have done something about it subsequently when they came to power. Not only that, he has threatened municipal officials who came to, do their jobs. Constantly, hospitals like Nilofer have had women doctors also threatened for some kind of a thing or other. Not a time has the government taken action against these people. It is
Well,
only sitting and watching, saying, let us, if this is what is proper action taking by the Congress government, it
Disown
shows
him.
that they're not
Disown
willing
him.
to take
The
action
one-
against
the
these
one
people.
option-
Repeated offences.
The last time-
Repeated offences
Yes,
which
Nirmal-
are non-bailable.
You see, ridiculous comment number 5, as I come to Dr. Rahmani, ridiculous comment number 5, again, it goes to the DGP of Andhra Pradesh, Dinesh Reddy. He told us today, for you it must be, wrong question to ask the wrong person when we ask the question on this. He says, go ask the investigating officer of Adilabad. For you, it must be a high profile case. For us, it is another case. It doesn't come under, not all comes under the DGP. We really want to ask the Director General of Police of Andhra Pradesh, which world are you in? Sir, with all respect to you. The whole country is talking about Akbaruddin Owaisi and you're trying to brush it under the carpet. Dr. Tasleem Ahmad Rahmani, here is your opportunity. You are President of the Muslim Political Council of India. Take a position today. This man does not represent anyone. Disown him. Isolate him. He has spoken against the nation. 1 minute.
See,
sir.
Arnab.
He has spoken against the nation and the nation comes first. Disown him tonight on TV.
It's not like owning or disowning. I disown every person in this country who mongers
there
hate,
you are.
who mongers rumors, who spread lies, and
No,
who
I
divides
am
the
talking
country
today
into
about
the terms of Hindus and Muslims, like what our learned lawyer Subrahmanyam Swamiji is doing. For last 3 decades, this country is looking these hate mongers, and this is one Akbaruddin Owaisi who has come into light today or for last 10-12 days.
No, he is
there are
not.
so many hate mongers, and law did not take its own course for last 3 decades. So
Is he
I
going to
want to
disown or
appeal to all these political people. I want to appeal to all these Saffron Brigade to let the Indian people live in peace now, please.
So what's
and stop this hate mongering. And you are forgetting today, Arnab, that Mr. Praveen Togadia is all equally responsible for making people like delivering such.
Sir,
speeches.
1 minute,
He said
1 minute,
that we
1 minute, 1 minute, 1
we
minute.
will convert Hyderabad
Sir,
into
1 minute,
Ayodhya.
1
And you are
minute,
not
1
talking
minute,
about
1
Praveen
minute,
Togadia
1 minute.
today.
Dr. Rahmani,
I demand that both Awesi
Dr. Rahmani,
and
may I
Togadia
please-
should be arrested today itself.
Dr. Rahmani, I will not let you try and dodge this so easily. Not on Times Now and certainly not on the News Hour.
Right.
I would like to most humbly tell you, you are factually 100% wrong.
Even
1
we
minute,
cannot
sir, let me
allow
tell you why you are
even
factually
we cannot
wrong.
allow you to spread this hate-mongering speech to
Really?
whole of the nation.
Really?
It was just a local speech.
Really?
He can be arrested over there itself.
So you will
and
target
now
Times
it
Now.
is in the domain of the whole nation.
So target Times Now, shoot the messenger. Let me tell you, we have the editorial competence to understand not one alphabet of this hate-monger speech has gone on Times Now. Check your records. If you find one, come back and tell me, Dr. Rahmani, before you put an accusation. I want to tell you, Dr. Rahmani, this
what
man
we are
is
doing
not
now.
a... No,
Now
1 minute, Dr. Rahmani.
What we are doing now.
This man,
we are spreading this speech to whole of the country.
One
it was
minute.
a local Adilabad, a Mohalla speech. Now it is in the domain of the whole of the nation.
I don't control the
120
cyber
crore
waves.
people.
Let people who control the cyber waves put a ban on what he said. I am asking here today, this man is not a spring chicken. I have a full list of cases that have been there against him. I can't read out all, but they are more than a page. And this is not the first time 121 has been used against him. 1 minute. Sir.
Okay,
so don't say
I am not his supporter at all. I don't support Awesi. I have no relationship with MIM or this Awesi or Congress or BJP, etc.
I am asking you today that this man is a repeat offender. Does the state have the courage to act against a repeat offender or not? Simple. We'll talk about Togadia. Let's talk about Akbaruddin Owaisi now. We have discussed Togadia. We have discussed Varun Gandhi. We will continue to discuss them. But right now I'm asking a question on Akbaruddin Owaisi. I am asking a question on Akbaruddin Owaisi tonight. Don't dodge it. Don't dodge it by talking about anyone else. We'll deal with them individually. No, Nirmala Sitharaman.
It is that you are dodging the nation if you are spearing Praveen Togadia in this case.
Take a straw poll that if channels like ours had not picked up the case of Akbaruddin Owaisi, would the police even be doing a press conference today? Nirmala Sitharaman wants to say something. Yes, please. Don't go after the media.
I just want to ask Mr. Rahmani. Because he is, putting the background to the case, which is very well. I agree. If it was a local issue and if it was really only confined to the district where he had spoken, if only the administration there had taken immediate action, due as per our law, nobody is asking for any extraordinary action. Whatever is the proper action which has to be taken as per law, if the government of Andhra Pradesh had taken it in time, and as Mr. Rahmani believes that it will contain the problem instead of making it into a national issue, every time if that has been done by the AP government, would we have this problem today?
No.
I'm trying to highlight this.
That I agree.
Every time, the last 5, 6, 7 times, the government of Andhra Pradesh has only sat and watched. And therefore, Mr. Rahmani, the point is, if the Congress government tries to use this to, as though appease the, vote bank that they are trying to address, it is not going to serve anybody's cause in this country.
I will say this. I will say this. No, who is this man?
The same Congress government. If the same Congress government has arrested Mr. Praveen Togadia that same day, there would be no problem.
No, Dr. Rahmani,
This is what I said. For last 3 decades, this problem is going on, and the law is not taking its own course.
No, Mr. Rahmani. Therefore, would you now agree that Andhra Pradesh government should immediately arrest him as per law because it's a war against the nation?
Both the responsible person should be arrested immediately.
You're dodging a question when you're asked. 1 second.
Both should be arrested immediately.
Dr. Swami wants to say something. 1 minute.
Such people.
This man has delivered provocative speeches in 2003. Okay? And he has attacked people. He has made death threats.
Yes.
He has said all kinds of comments, including I have a comment in 2006 where he's quoted as saying, "Smash the heads of traffic policemen if they challan you for not wearing helmets." What rubbish is this? This man thinks he can get away with anything. And our state, I'm sorry to say this, Mr. Abid Rasool Khan Sahab, please don't take it otherwise. Yeah. Yes, Subramanian, our state seems to be too scared to take one individual on.
No, absolutely
What
not.
is the
We have
state
booked
worth
cases and
if
he
it
has
cannot
taken
take on
bail.
an individual who breaks the law?
In all the crimes you are talking about, we have booked cases. He has
you've
taken bail
tolerated
and the
him
cases
more
are
than you
being
should have.
prosecuted.
Yes,
No.
Subramaniam
Our
Swamy
government
wants to
is
say
very
something.
strong on that.
Subramaniam
Let
Swamy.
me come out.
No action has been taken.
I want.
Subramaniam. Mr. Swamy.
First of all, Mr. Arnab Goswami, now you know you can't speak for Islam because the All India head of the All India Muslim Council is refusing to disown the statement of Mr. Owaisi. You asked him so many times. That is the mood
one
of the
second.
leaders of the Muslim
One second,
community
one
today.
Subramaniam Swamy,
They are
I
getting
neither speak for any
tribalized.
religion. No,
And-
one second. Mr. Swamy, I can neither speak for Hinduism, nor Islam, nor
But you
anyone.
did. You
but
said
I,
Islam
no, I
is not
did. No,
like
no,
that.
no, no. No, I say.
But you said
One
Islam
second.
is not like
no,
that.
but you said, I said, let's not generalize. Akbaruddin Owaisi does not represent anyone. He's an MLA. He does not represent a religion. That's my limited point. But you please, don't shoot the messenger every time, Mr.
refusing
Swamy.
to disown him.
Well, I have given him an opportunity. You
I'm
can
not
also
shooting
disown.
the messenger. I'm just
you
trying
can
to
also
put you
disown
on the right
Togadia.
track.
You can also disown Togadia.
On what statement do I disown him?
On the comments
what
that he
he
has-
said.
on the
You
comments he
tell
made-
me. I'm ready to debate.
Let's
Which
debate.
comments?
On the comments he has, comments he has made in Hyderabad.
Therefore, yesterday we had
He has made enough provocative comments in Hyderabad.
Yes.
You know about them.
Which what?
I am not.
No, you may tell me which comment.
So if I show you the comments,
on
1 minute.
Bhagwat, you have to give a clarification.
So 1 minute, no clarification, please. Be very clear. I'm very clear that Mohan Bhagwat said what he had to, but I'm talking about Akbaruddin Owaisi. Why not dodge the issue, Dr. Subramaniam?
No, he never
The
said.
question is-
rural
very
India
clear.
doesn't have rape.
1
He only
minute.
said Bharat doesn't have.
1 second. Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, why do you want to dodge the question which is right now on Akbaruddin Owaisi?
What dodge? Which
So
question?
thank you.
You tell me which question.
The
I'm
question,
dodging.
the question
I
is
never
very
dodge any
clear,
question.
and the question is put between you and Abid Rasool Khan on this part of the news hour tonight. The weakness of the state,
Yes.
the tolerance
Yes.
of the state with lumpen elements.
Yes, correct.
Right?
Capitulationists.
Capitulationist
Absolutely
Abid
wrong.
Rasool Khan, why is your state government a
Yes.
capitulationist, as Subramaniam
No,
Swamy
absolutely
says?
not. No, he may be saying something because I don't think Subramaniam Swamy is speaking sense today because the statements what he is giving is absolutely beyond comprehension. We are doing a good job. We are doing a perfect job. Our police is doing a good job. It's only a matter because it's a case of vast ramifications. We are taking up-team precautions to see that the case is properly built up. And the case was registered not on a complaint of BJP. It was registered suo moto by the state. There are a number of things which I need to clarify. But Mr. Subramaniam Swamy time and again brings the communal issues in line, and today BJP is trying to capitalize on the communal issue in this particular case and show Congress government on a wrong side. But
Why
that's
didn't
not so.
you arrest
We are
him on
doing-
arrival? Why didn't you arrest him on arrival?
Arrest him on arrival, that is the investigation officer has to come and do it, not the local police here. The case is booked in Nirmal.
Why
Mr.
did
Rana
the
Surab.
investigation officer not do it at 3:45 in the morning?
Yeah, investigation
not do it?
officer will come and
Why
he'll
didn't he do it?
It's, give him a couple days time. It's
Really?
only morning
So
he
this
has
man
arrived and you just...
continues to milk the issue politically? You can't put him
No,
under lockup?
absolutely not. The whole, let me be clear on this, the whole community is against the statements. It's not that
No,
anybody supporting except
if he
them.
asks for 1 more week saying I'm not feeling well for another week, you'll give him that time?
No.
The representative.
I cannot give any time, Mr. Arnab. I cannot give any time, but I'm
It's your
sure the
government.
police will also act in
It's your
proper
government, you're running
accordance
the
to the
Greater
law. They will not give
It's your
time.
government, you're running the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation in
Yes.
alliance with this party. Put power second,
Yes,
put the
that
law
was,
first.
that was an elected alliance, and we have joined hands to listening. And now, after this episode, our party is taking a stand on it. As I told you, that stand will be very shortly declared, and we will come out.
When?
Very shortly, I said. You
Very-
call it a ridiculous comment, but when I say very shortly, you call it a ridiculous comment. So what word I should use
I'm
there?
only calling it a ridiculous comment because it has come too late in the day. Subramaniam Swamy wants to respond to you.
Okay,
He didn't answer my
okay,
questions
but-
on
but-
Praveen
but-
Togadia.
but-
Subramaniam Swamy will not
Yeah.
condemn Praveen Togadia on the program today, but I'll move on from that. I will leave that as
Mr.
food for
Praveen
thought.
Togadia has already been booked in a case in
You
AP.
have a program on the Praveen Togadia.
Really?
What? On what? For saying what? For saying that in 15 minutes we'll kill all 100 crore Muslims.
1 minute. Subramaniam Swamy, Subramaniam Swamy, I will just say one thing to you, with great respect to you. I will say one thing to you. I am not repeating the exact words of Mr. Akbaruddin Owaisi. Similarly, you cannot provoke me to repeat the exact words of Praveen Togadia. However, at the end of this program, I will send across to you, and you can check it for yourself and tell me what you on the observations of Mr. Praveen Togadia, which have been found objectionable by some
Absolutely.
people in November
I will send you an
2011
email.
and in October 2012. And then you take your view on it. Take
I'll
your
send
view.
you an email.
Yeah, but you will but you will have. My only question to you is: will you be on this? Will you take the same position on Togadia's comments as you take on Owaisi's comments? Will Subramaniam Swamy have
It depends on
homogeneity in
what
his
he has
point
said.
of view on both?
It depends on what he has said. Because whatever I have heard him say in my presence, it sounded very reasonable.
Now, my question to final question, Abid Rasul Khan, Nirmala Sitharaman. I'll send that across to you. Now, Abid Rasul Khan and Dr. Taslim Ahmad Rahmani. A bottom line is this: people are fed up today with the inaction on Akbaruddin Owaisi. Honestly,
Basically, yeah, let me come to that. There is no inaction as such. It is an inaction which does not fulfill the feelings of the people, then it's an inaction. But the government is definitely
the
doing
feelings
its
of the
course.
people.
And you will see the action very shortly, I can assure you that.
I hope
and
so.
the law will definitely take its own course.
no, that word has no meaning. I genuinely, a lot of people have strong objections. I think politicians should stop using the phrase "law will take its own course." There's something horribly cliched and
I really cannot
untrustworthy about
dictate,
that
Mr. Arnab,
observation.
I cannot dictate how we are going to act to the police. I cannot dictate how we are going to act to the judiciary
You
with the
can, sir,
highest
you run
respect
the
to the
government.
judiciary.
Your government, you run the
We
government.
run the government, but
Oh,
we cannot come into the process. We run the government, we run the very fair government which is equal to all.
Yeah.
Not like a BJP government in other states.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a straw poll on this. Has Akbaruddin Owaisi and his comments gone unpunished too far? I put that question to you. Tell us what you think on our Twitter address. Nirmala Sitharaman wants to put a last word in. Yes, please. Go ahead.
Hello?
Go ahead. You raised your hand there, so I give you the last word.
Arnab, I just want to ask the Congress representative what specific actions were taken on these serial offences that I've listed. It is no good saying self-certification doesn't help. Say out what you've done and then make the people understand that
Yeah.
you're really treating everybody who's violating law equally. That's one thing. And second,
Yeah.
does the Congress spokesperson condemn this statement made by, this talk made by, and this waging of war against the country and also bringing disharmony between communities by this elected representative? One MP party with half a dozen MLAs
Exactly.
has made this government in
Let me-
Andhra
let me-
Pradesh completely
Exactly.
bow down to their pressures. And this government has a long way to go to prove that they are treating governance as an issue and not vote bank politics.
You want to answer that? Taslim, 1 minute, please. I extend this debate by 1 minute. I see two hands go up. Mr. Khan, I know your reply to that. You'll say we've
Yes.
done enough, but you heard the question. Unless you have something new to say, I'll move on to
I'll
Dr.
tell you
Nirmal.
first of all to Nirmala's question that we strongly condemn the statement of and the speeches of Mr. Akbar on these lines. And secondly, we have done a lot and we have booked a case which is a very
Akbar's
strong case
statement
where
I
they...
condemn.
Sorry? I condemn
Akbar's
the speech.
statement you want me to condemn?
Totally
I condemn it. I think it's an insane statement.
I didn't get you. What do you want to say?
He's suffering from a suicide mentality. What can I do?
Dr. Rahmani Subramaniam Swamy, Abid Rasul Khan and Nirmala Sitharaman, I thank you tonight. We keep a very close watch on what the Andhra government does or doesn't do to the DGP of Andhra Pradesh. When something has got the entire nation's attention, don't say it is just another case. Give it a little bit of your attention. It may help.